At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. The Modified Barthel Index is a widely recognized tool used in physical and rehabilitation medicine to assess a patient's functional independence. Originally developed in the 1960s, the Barthel Index measures a person's ability to perform basic activities of daily living, or ADLs. The Shah Modified Barthel Index, which Carepatron's template is based on, is especially useful in evaluating stroke patients and others undergoing rehabilitation. This version of the index uses a 0 to 100 scoring scale with a 5-point rating system, making it better suited to detect small but significant changes in a patient's abilities. While the original index is effective at capturing large improvements, this modified version is particularly valuable for identifying the smaller, more gradual progress that's often seen during rehabilitation. To use the Modified Barthel Index template, first download the template. Start by downloading the Modified Barthel Index template in the Carepatron app, or you can click on the link in the description. Familiarize yourself with the index. Before conducting assessments, make sure you understand the different components of the MBI and how they are scored. This will ensure your evaluations are accurate and consistent. Conduct a thorough assessment. Observe your patient as they perform each activity rather than relying solely on self-reports. Document performance changes. The MBI is designed to detect subtle improvements in a patient's ability to perform daily tasks. Accurately recording these changes over time will help inform treatment plans and track progress. Use in combination with other tools. While the MBI is a valuable tool, it should be used alongside other clinical assessments for a comprehensive understanding of a patient's overall condition. Review and update regularly. As a patient's condition changes, the MBI scores should be regularly updated to ensure treatment plans are adjusted to meet their evolving needs. The Modified Barthel Index assesses various forms of assistance a patient may need in activities like ambulation, feeding, personal hygiene, dressing, and managing incontinence. The total score is calculated by adding the individual item scores with a maximum possible score of 100. Here's a breakdown of how the final score is typically interpreted. If you'd like to see a sample of our Modified Barthel Index template, check out the example we've provided. And to explore more templates or learn how Carepatron can simplify your practice management, visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.